If you call us, it's a two-step process. You call us, we come out and we can consult with you and talk to you, and then while on site, disconnect everything, cap the lines and whatnot, and then you go ahead and tear out your stuff, your vanity, your toilet, whatever it may be, and then you put in your new stuff, and then we come and put new valves on and tie in your drainage, tie in your new faucet, install your toilet, and then we're done. So two steps, and just a quick call. We can guide you through. You can send me pictures, things like that.